So boys and girls, how are we all doing? It's about that time again. It's about time when I make a little bit of a video to show the sort of stock that is going on the store, seeing as many of you like these sorts of clips. Don't forget, there's lots of car talk already on the channel. If you want to scroll through, have a little look, subscribe if you haven't. But there we go. I'm going to say this is video number 1 out of 3 or 4 which I'm going to be recording tonight, because I've brought so much stuff out of my stores ready to get out in the eBay store. Yes, all of this is for sale. And there's some nice items. This is a random little bunch of mostly die-cast here, I'll be honest with you. But there's some incredible template stuff going to be coming in a different video, battery operated stuff. So it's going to be well worth checking them out as well over this week. So here we go. I'll get into this. I've put a mixture here from literally mint stuff, mint, through to a bit of played with. But look at this Ford shoebox. I love it. It's a rarer colour yellow as well. And it's played with. But you know what, it's still quite clean, even though it is played with. It's just got a nice little look about it, which I do like. Got a lovely little Mini Cooper police car here as well. All, of course, original dual headlamps. Decals, aerial. And through, we've got the Chitty Bang Bang, of course. Fully working. Original 60s example as well, not the later version. If I can try and do that one, and there we go. Check that out. Gorgeous. Pin you back through to a little bit of 1950s Dinky, Bedford articulated truck, stunning. And then we've got some lovely Corgis. Again, look how crisp that box is as well. That's not bad, guys, is it? Come on, look at that. That's not bad at all. And right next to that then, do you know, one of my favourite cars of all time. You might think, why? But I just love them, of course. Voted world's most unsafest car at one point in his life when it was new, I do believe. But the Corgi, it's air-cooled. Being a Volkswagen man for myself, I absolutely love that. A lot of you will say it's not a real Chevrolet, but there we go. And this is in the light blue version as well. Of course, there's the darker blue, or the mid-blue as it's known. That's also on the eBay store if you want to go and check that out. I'm going to pull this out. You might have recognized this from a previous video. Also had another example of this in last week. Put it on the store, sold the same night. So I'm guessing this is going to be similar sort of antics. The Whiz Wheels Beetle. Amazing. And what I love about these Whiz Wheels as well, the artwork on the box. I think half the time the artwork on these is better than the actual models. Common fault for these is suspensions go on them. This one is perfect, sits as it should, bounces, pushes along so freely. And when we're on the subject of Whiz Wheels, we've got the Graham Mill Ford Cortina. Here he is, putting his little pose on in there. That's lovely, isn't it? A green-black sort of colour. See, it always looks a bit more blue to me, but it's classed as green. Again, artwork on the back. Check that out, innit? Awesome. How cool is that? And what's nice as well, of course, they did this in 3 colours. This colour. This colour. And there he is. This one's not as good as the blue one, I'll be honest with you. It's got a couple more chips on there. But still pretty nice. Still a nice box. That's all there. And of course the mustard colour, which is the very rare one. I didn't even check the back of these boxes. Sometimes the Whiz Wheels are spelled different, but we're all good on these ones. Yeah, the mustard one, which is obviously the rare colour with the black roof, which can go for £1,000 or more easily. Let's move Dinky out the way. You've already seen the recovery tank. There we go. Look at that Nash Rambler. Again, screams, you know, that late 50s sort of style. Just looks great. I love that. Pushes freely as well. Not too bad at all. That's that one. Then we've got the Routemaster bus. Again, nice looking model. Nice box as well with that. They just got a good look about them, haven't they, in all fairness. King's Cross. Every time you think of London, what do you think of? Double-decker bus or a black taxi? Always. Then we've got a bit of Mercury. That's nice as well. Just looks like a go-kart, doesn't it? She's a bit of a crazy looking thing with its original box. Nice. Shop stock Solido here. I've probably got in a range of 300 to 400 Solidos. All shop stock still sealed. They need to come out over coming weeks or months, I'll be totally honest with you. And we've got some more shop stock Dinky. I said all this stuff as well. You can just make it out behind the Matchbox. It's all unpunched. All this Dinky stuff. All the rockets are there. The missiles are there. If you want to buy shop stock stuff, now's the time to buy it. Of course, you've got a lovely bit of super fast. I just want to show you how crisp those boxes are. Some nice boxes there. You're going to have to check these out on the eBay store because you're going to be surprised. I'm not going to tell you why. This is a little Easter egg for you. go on and check out, and then you'll be surprised. But yes, they are totally original. Before you think anything different. Here you go, we've got some Britain's military. Again, shop stock stuff. In storage, this one I managed to ding the window a little bit, put a little thing in there. You could replace it if you wanted to, but I like originality. Got the Volkswagen. Again, that's cool. Another Scout car. And then you got the Land Rover, which is absolutely pristine, I'll be honest with you. I'm going to bring this one down because it is gorgeous. Just check that. The art on that as well. Stunning. And then we've got the 1981 James Bond Your Eyes Only. That's in there, all paperwork, everything is there. Cute little box of storage. We've got a Russian truck as well. Russian stuff always sells really, really well. As some of you, well, might have known from a previous video, I once bought the biggest Russian collection in the UK. I'm not even joking with you. If you want to see pictures of that, I'll be happy to share some with you. And we've got the Honest John rocket launcher. That's kind of slipped off a little bit, but the box is sealed. So I'm not going to open it, because I don't want to take that away from it. So there we go. We're not winning no wars with that, are we? But at least it's there. Also, as well, I'm going to surprise you with in this. I got bags and bags of stuff like this, original figures, etc. Move that out of the way. Now these are all Britain's figures, and of course you've got the one Hot Wheels figure in there as well. But I've got loads of Corgi figures, Dinky figures. I hate reproduction stuff. I like the originality stuff, so I'll save and buy till a bag comes. If I sit like this, I have number 15 in this one. I'll keep a bag together. If I get the models, great, fill them up. If not, I'll wait till I get to a certain point, then I'll sell the bag and give someone else a chance. So there's a lot of Britain's 70s stuff in here, which are quite hard to find. So these are going to be for sale individually as well. So that's going to give you a chance rather than buying the whole bag. You can buy them individual, which is quite nice. But yeah, over the back then, we've got a Barbie Porsche. It's still factory sealed from the 90s, late 90s. And right over here then, we've got the Marks Big Parade, which is fully working with paperwork. Just check that out. Look at that. Madness. And right down below, we've got the Stevenson Rocket, which I do absolutely love. It's just got a good look about it. Screams that early steam age. Which reminds me of all that stuff. Yeah, just Industrial Revolution in it. That's exactly what that reminds me of. But there we go. That's a short little clip. That's a short video. Just showing you some items. Of course, all of these are for sale. So buy them quick when you still can. Because a lot of you have got in contact with me recently, wanting to buy stuff from previous videos. But it goes quickly, I'll be honest with you. So just Google Jordan's Vintage World, or the link is going to be below. Find me on Facebook, Instagram. My details are all there. And yeah, if you don't want to buy it, just enjoy it. I'm happy just for you to come along, have a little look at some videos, have a look at stock, and appreciate them. Because it's nice to be around like-minded people. So there we go. Peace and love as always, guys. Check out more stuff.